economic era, the going out strategy created a favorable opportunity for global economic cooperation.
I'm from China. Our pioneering and innovation in industry, maturity in technology and management have made China the forerunner in economy development around the world.
I'm from Uganda, the source of the Nile and the center of East African community with abundant oil reserve. Here in Uganda, rivers run across the country, plants are flourishing, and all 4 seasons are like spring. Therefore, Uganda is praised as the Pearl of Africa. And its vast land contains huge business opportunities.
The link between China's modern industrial civilization and Uganda's development makes the two countries work together.
In November 2013, Bing Zhegang, Vice Governor of Liaoning Province, led an economic and trade delegation of enterprises to visit Uganda, starting an ice-breaking journey for Liaoning enterprises to invest in Africa on a large scale. In June 2014, then Vice Governor of Liaoning Province led an economic and trade delegation of enterprises to visit Uganda again and determined EAC countries as a strategic platform for Liaoning enterprises to invest in Africa. The President of Uganda, Mr. Museveni, and the Vice Governor of Liaoning Province, Mr. Bing Zhegang, discussed specific matters of the LiaoShen Industrial Park at the Diao Yutai State Guest House on March 29, 2015. Thus, the cooperation between China and Uganda started officially.
Zhang's Group, a group company with 7 subsidiaries, which is developed from an international trade company after 15 years of pioneering work overseas, now has 1,500 employees. It has undergone a transformation from pure international trade into diversified industries, including hotel, TV production, security, e-commerce, building, travel service, and business consulting. It has a wealth of management experience and high reputation, as well as good reputation with the local government in Uganda.
The LiaoShen Industrial Park is located in Luiro District, central Uganda, with a total planning area of 4.6 square kilometers. It is about 55 kilometers from Uganda's capital, Kampala, and 75 kilometers from the Uganda-Kenya arterial traffic. The park is adjacent to 2 highways, with flat land, sufficient labor, convenient transportation, brand radiation range, and obvious geographical advantage. The concept of modularization of plants and flexibility of lots is put forward in planning and design of the park. The park will provide the enterprises with the most appropriate module combination for their own development based on 6 modules. The lots of the park can be either separated or merged through reasonable meshing method. Thus, there will form flexible lot sizes, satisfying the needs of different enterprises. The park is constructed with multiple functions including work, life, and service. There are 6 entrances and exits in total. The roads in the park are divided into 2 grades with reasonable density of road network. The road width is suitable for the future development needs. The park will use the landscape structure of 1 belt, 2 centers, multiple axles, and multiple nodes. The park will be decorated with multi-level greening and promote comprehensive utilization of rainwater and wastewater. There also is original ecological wetland landscape with a drainage system running through east and west of the park. The environment is beautiful and the geomantic omen is excellent. You can enjoy the extensive view of the park. The layout of the park fully embodies the construction concept of Chinese modern industrial park of people first and respect for nature.
The Chinese government will give financial support accounting for 50% of the upfront investment cost to the investing enterprises. The annual interest rate on the project loan will be 3%. The government will also give technical support on the respects of contract workers, adaptive training, and personnel insurance.
Uganda will offer local rich resources and export tax exemption policy to the park. Any settled enterprise can be exempted from customs duty of imported raw materials and 10 years of corporate income tax. Moreover, all building materials used in the process of the park construction will be free of tax.
There are also one-stop service centers, which are stationed by Uganda's local functional government departments, such as the Customs Department and Tax Department, in the park, to provide the settled enterprises with exclusive and convenient service. In the future, the modern industrial park will face the East African market of 200 million people and radiate the broad market of the whole Europe, America, and China. In the meantime, we can use the platform to develop the African market and enter the world's only virgin land, which is not exploited yet, with Africa as a base. Many countries grant duty-free access to Africa. By virtue of this policy, the products produced in the park can radiate the whole world and also can be sold back to China with Africa as a base. The industrial chain of petroleum products will be formed in Uganda within 3 years. It will certainly promote the rapid development of Uganda's economy. The Chinese government's One Belt, One Road policy and Going Out strategy have brought the enterprises a critical condition and blew the horn of enterprises takeoff. Let's seize the moment, step forward, become the industry leader, and create the future together. Welcome to Uganda LiaoShen Industrial Park.